Hello and welcome to Math Excel Educator. In this video, I'm going to explain to you how to find the lower and upper bounds for length and area in any geometrical shapes. I have taken two examples. The first example has the dimensions of a rectangle where the length is 3.61 and the width is 2.57 centimeter. We will try to write down the upper and the lower bounds for these two dimensions. So let's begin with. The lower bound for the length would be 3.605 and the upper bound for the length would be 3.615. The lower bound for the width would be 2.565 and the upper bound of the width would be 2.575. Now the next part is to find the upper and lower bounds of the area of this rectangle. So first of all, I will write the area of the rectangle, which is length times the width. Now we'll work out to find the lower bound of this area. Lower bound of the area is equal to lower bound of the length, which is 3.605 times the lower bound of the width, which is 2.565, that is equal to 9.2468 centimeters square and will be 9.25 in three significant figures. For the upper bound of this area, that's equal to the upper bound of the length, which is 3.615 times the upper bound of the width, which is 2.575. That's equal to 9.36, sorry, it's 9.3086 centimeter square, which is 9.31 in three significant figures. Let's take another example where we have a right-angled triangle whose base is 4.5 centimeter and the height is 3.7 centimeter. Like the previous example, first of all, we'll get the lower and the upper bound for the base and the height. For the height, the lower bound would be 3.65 and the upper bound will be 3.75. For the base, the lower bound is 4.45 and the upper bound is 4.55. The next is to find the lower and the upper bounds of the area of this triangle. For that, area is equal to 1 by 2 times base times the height. So, the lower bound of the area is equal to 1 over 2 times the lower bound of the base, which is 4.45 times the lower bound of the height, which is 3.65. That's equal to 8.12 in 3 significant figures. Similarly, the upper bound of the area will be equal to 1 over 2 times the upper bound of the base, which is 4.55 times the upper bound of the height, which is 3.75. 3.75, which is equal to 8.53 in 3 significant figures. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thanks for watching.